Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series focused on helping you become better at PowerPoint. In this guide, we'll explore the importance of white space in PowerPoint presentations and how you can use to enhance your slides. Before we begin, I highly recommend checking out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to improve your PowerPoint productivity. Get templates, themes, charts, icons, and more, all within PowerPoint. Check out the links in the description to learn more about the add-in. Let's get started. So why is white space important in PowerPoint presentations? Well, most presentations suffer from information overload, with densely packed slides that overwhelm and disengage the audience. By effectively using white space, you can avoid this and create visually appealing and impactful slides. Think of white space as the breathing room for your slides. It's the emptiness that allows your content to shine, creating a sense of hierarchy, focus, and visual appeal. Here are some tips and things you can do to ensure you have enough white space in your presentations. Don't fill your slides to the brim. Leave some breathing room around the edges of your slide to create a visual frame for your content. You can do this by adding guides to your slides by going to the View tab. Move the guides to set up margins and make sure you do not arrange elements outside these margins. Another thing you can do is simplify the text in your presentations. Ditch lengthy paragraphs and bullet points. Use concise phrases, headlines, and visuals to convey your message. Use tools like the Hemingway app to make the text on your slides more concise. Try incorporating more visuals in your slides. High-quality images, infographics, and data visualizations can replace walls of text, making your presentation more engaging. You can also use PowerPoint's built-in feature called grid lines to help arrange your content on your slides and to ensure balanced use of white space. Enable them by going to View and selecting grid lines. Remember, white space isn't your enemy, it's your ally. By embracing its power, you can create presentations that are clear, impactful, and visually engaging. Your job is not to create slides crammed with information. Your slides are just visual aids for your presentation. With these tips and a bit of practice, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of white space and delivering presentations that truly resonate with your audience. I hope you'll put these tips to good use. Do not forget to check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in to improve your presentation creation process. The links are in the description. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.